me, what's it matter? Why do I make you all laugh and scoff? Why don't we play with your fishes?
You scare them off. Quack, 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 quack.
Look at him, you admit he is a bitch.
Look at him, just a variation on a bee. I don't want to see my son left out on a limb. Why is it that everyone has to cheer?
There's no answer, dear. Look at him.
Peck, 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 peck. I hate to be picky, but the duck peck, peck looks a little bit sick. Look at him. Bob, have you ever seen a pig with wings? Look at him. Bob, don't genetics do the strangest things? Though the thought may not appeal, break the ties that bind. If you gave the cat a meal, nobody would mind. Rock!
Look at him, he's an ugly one, there is no doubt. Look at him, does he have his giblets inside out? What else would explain his looks being quite so rough? How on earth will gourmet cooks know gentle stuff?
You don't see that difference. Look at him, looking, I swear, down there.
Sometimes we find it is kinder if some eggs never hatch.
Now that's what I call a snack. Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him, finest cat food that I've ever saw. Better still, he won't be missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they'll let me assist, giving him a chop.
Now, you presented to her grace, the most distinguished duck on the lake. She was once paired with a mandarin, and you will notice that she wears a red band of cloth around her leg. That's the greatest distinction a duck can enjoy. It means she's looked up by both men and animals.
Now don't turn your toes in. Just bow your heads politely and say quack.
Honk!
Just imagine how he's feeling. In a way he's quite
Look
appealing.
at him,
She wants to sell her. Look at him. What are you talking about? I was nothing like him. A self-basting, self-boasting, fine, prime specimen with wonderful fur. As for that, well, I wouldn't use that to stuff a duvet with.
Talking of stuffing, I don't suppose you'll be quite so full of yourself come Thanksgiving.
Oh, I hate that word!
What word? Stuffing.
No Thanksgiving!
Congratulations, Ida. They're delightful.
Thank you, Your Grace.
Now, that big chap there in the back, what exactly happened there? He isn't quite your classic Beatrix Potter now, is he?
I wish the others wouldn't pick on him so. He'll turn out all right when he gets older.
Well, the others are a triumph, my dear. I only wish I could have produced a brood of my own this year.
Yes, I was so terribly sorry to hear about him, Your Grace. You must miss him so much.
He was a fine duck, the Mandarin, but alas, he became crispy and aromatic before his time. Still, life goes on. Now, where has Marie got to with that French bread?
Ta-da! French bread! Oh, it's much better than the usual stuff. Even the crusts are nice.
I'll give it a dabble.
I'm sure I'd root for a little gobble gobble.
Maureen is delicious. Children, come and try some.
Don't forget about the red banded duck.
HONK!
Ida, you really should do something about that call.
Oh my goodness, they're throwing croissants!
But I'm hungry too. Why are you picking on me? Quack! Quack! If you knew just how dearly I would love to quack! But it's true, I'm a bird who seems to lack the knack. I'm just different. I'm just different from the rest. And who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? But different isn't naughty. Different isn't bad. So why should being different make me sad? I'm just different. They're like peas from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. Life's hard when you're hard. But different isn't scary. Different is no threat. And though I'm still their brother, they forget I didn't choose to look this way. I didn't want to be unique. I don't like these grubby feathers, and I hate my stubby beak. There's a runt in every litter, a black sheep in every flock. But when you know it's you somehow, your ego takes a knock. I'm just different, but I have a sense of pride. My books may well be funny, but I heard the same inside. And different isn't spiteful, different isn't wrong. So why is it so hard to get along? I only want to get along. Different isn't hateful. Different could be swell. Different is just, well, different.
Why, hello there, Ducky.
Who are you?
I'm your friend.
I haven't got any friends. Everyone hates me because they think I'm ugly.
Oh, they are too cruel. I think you look delicious.
What did you say?
I said poultry can be so delicious. Just look at them guzzling all that bread.
It's supposed to be really nice. It's French.
Orange. You mean to say they didn't let you have any?
Not a crumb.
Well, that settles it then. Lunch is in on me.
Really? Wow, you really are my friend.
Yes, of course I am. Now let's go.
But I think I should tell my mother.
Oh, no. You mustn't do that. Look, she's speaking with her grace. Don't you know a duckling should never interrupt anyone who's speaking to her grace?
Oh, but I really think I should.
What a feast.
A little on the stale side, but one mustn't grumble.
Mama, I've been invited.
Excuse me, Your Grace. Beaky, stop standing on Downey's foot. She keeps going in circles.
Mama,
Just
can
a
I?
moment, dear. Billy, not such big mouthfuls or you'll choke.
Mama,
I'm sure, dear. Fluff, you better not just be eating up the raisins.
Listen, we won't be gone for long, and what I'm gonna do? You are hungry, aren't you?
Well, yes.
Well, that makes two of us. Come along.
Oh, if you're sure.
Oh, I'm quite sure.
Well, if you ask me, it is truly Ida that I feel sorry for. I mean, come on, how did she manage to lay an egg that size? Oh, makes my eyes water to sleep inside.
I think it just puts out the wrong message having someone looking like that draped around their lakeside ladies.
I know exactly.
Excuse me. That is my son you're talking about. There's nothing wrong with him. He's just a bit different. That's all. I think that makes him someone rather special.
Well said, Ida. I agree with you. And if I agree, then everybody agrees. I think an apology is in order.
Wait a minute. Where's he gone?
I thought he was with you.
He was, just a moment ago.
Well, if he's got any sense, he'll have gone to find that bag to put over his head.
Drake, that's enough.
Calm down, you can't be far.
He was trying to tell me something.
Probably just gone off to the lake. You know how he just loves swimming.
Not without telling me he wouldn't.
Just calm down. All right, Turkey, you go up and check along the milking shed. Maureen, Henrietta, check along the hen house. Ida, we'll take the ducklings down to the lake.
And I'll coordinate operations from the grain store.